Hello everyone, welcome to TechGlob YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert PDF file to the Word format. Okay, before that I'm going to show you the PDF format, and this is the PDF file format. Okay, here we cannot edit and delete, nothing possible here. So in this case I'm going to open the WinWord in the start menu and open the Word, open the blank document and click File, open the location where you saved your file. I'm going to browse in the desktop and open the TechGlob PDF file, and the small message box you will see, click OK, and here you can see the PDF file already in the Word. Now you can edit and deletion. Now I'm going to rename the experience, okay, to the TechGlob. Just simply type TechGlob, okay, and if you want delete activities, I'm going to delete. This is easy way to convert the PDF format. Then after that, and the same file I'm going to save as a Word format. Click File and Save As, and browse the location and desktop. File name I'm going to type here TechGlob 2. Okay, I'm just closing the window. Here you can find the Word format. Pretty cool, right? This is easy way to convert the PDF file to the Word format. And thank you for watching this video. Please like and share, subscribe the YouTube channel, and see you soon next video.